Are you sick of dealing with continual eye strain from screens all day? Perhaps you're concerned about maintaining your vision as you become older? You're in luck, however. In today's video, we'll look at several natural eye health solutions. This article will explain 7 powerful herbs that may protect and refresh your vision, so say goodbye to eye strain and hello to clearer vision. Prepare to see the world from a whole different perspective. Hello from Healthy Hub Tube again. It is a pleasure to have you join me on this journey to discover natural remedies for the best possible eye and vision health. Our eyes frequently bear the burden of the stress, pollution, and screens that define our modern world. But don't worry, Mother Nature has provided us with an abundance of herbs that can considerably improve our vision. We'll look at the science behind 7 plants that have both historical and present backing, including cutting-edge studies and age-old therapies. So stay tuned as we explore these natural beauties and learn how to include them into your daily routine, whether you have dry eyes, blurry vision, or simply wish to maintain your visual awareness for years to come. Now let us get started. Herb number 1. Bilberry. Let us start our natural eye health journey with bilberry. Bilberries, a little dark blue fruit that resembles blueberries, have long been used to promote eye health. Bilberries are high in antioxidants known as anthocyanins, which help to protect sensitive ocular tissues from free radical damage. Furthermore, by improving blood flow to the eyes, antioxidants can improve vision and reduce eye strain. Adding bilberries to your diet is a nice and straightforward process. When fresh bilberries are in season, you can consume them or take bilberry supplements, which are available in various forms such as extracts and capsules. Incorporating bilberry into your daily routine is a quick and easy way to improve your eyesight and maintain it clear for many years. Herb number 2. Ginkgo biloba. Let's talk about ginkgo biloba, a herb with a long history of traditional use and a current reputation for improving vision and eye health. Ginkgo biloba, derived from the ginkgo tree's leaves, has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat a number of diseases, including blood circulation and cognitive function enhancement. However, did you realize that it also benefits your eyes? Ginseng biloba contains strong antioxidants that help to protect sensitive ocular tissues from oxidative stress and free radical damage. Ginkgo biloba may also improve general eye health and help with clearer vision by improving blood flow to the eyes. This herb is easy to incorporate into your daily routine because it comes in a variety of forms, including liquid extracts, pills, and capsules. However, you must use caution, especially if you are on medication or already have a medical condition. Before starting a new supplement regimen, always get medical counsel to ensure that it is safe and appropriate for your needs. As a result, if you're looking for a natural way to support your vision, ginkgo biloba could be a valuable addition to your wellness toolkit. Herb number 3. Eyebright. Begin to explore eyebright, a herb that has long been utilized for eye treatment. For generations, humans have valued this little but powerful herb for its ability to improve vision and maintain eye health. Eyebright is well known for its anti-inflammatory and astringent properties, which help to soothe irritated eyes and reduce redness. It also contains antioxidants, which protect the eyes from free radical damage and may slow the progression of age-related vision problems. Eyebright can be prepared and utilized for eye health in a variety of ways, including compresses, herbal teas, and soothing eye washes. Incorporating this herb into your daily diet may assist to maintain overall eye health and ease eye strain. Herb number 4. Saffron. Let's explore saffron, a spice known for its rich flavor, as well as a hidden treasure trove of eye health benefits. Though its use in exotic dishes and pricey teas is more widely recognized, saffron's secret weapon is its ability to prevent age-related vision impairment. This beautiful spice contains chemicals that have been shown to slow the progression of diseases such as macular degeneration, the leading cause of blindness in the elderly. Not only will saffron delight your taste buds, but it will also give your eyes a powerful ally in the fight against vision loss. Outside of the kitchen, how can you reap the benefits of saffron? As we investigate novel ways to incorporate this golden spice into your everyday meals and snacks, you can be confident that your taste buds and vision will remain satisfied and healthy. Herb number 5 is turmeric. Let's speak about turmeric, a colorful spice that has benefits beyond its amber color. Turmeric has long been praised for its capacity to promote overall health and well-being. However, did you know it can also improve your vision? Yes, this is correct. Turmeric is an effective ally in promoting eye health due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric protects the delicate structures of the eyes from damage and degeneration by reducing inflammation. So, how can you use this wonderful spice into your everyday cooking? There are many simple methods. You can add a little turmeric to your favorite soups, stir-fries, or smoothies to enhance the flavor. Don't worry if you're not a good cook. Turmeric supplements are widely available and offer a convenient way to reap the health benefits of this incredible spice. Turmeric can be a delicious and practical way to enhance eye health, whether you take it as a supplement or in your food. Herb number 6, fennel. Let's look at fennel, a plant that is both good for your eyes and useful in the kitchen. Fennel's high antioxidant content protects our eyes from free radical damage. Antioxidants are vital for maintaining eye health because they reduce the risk of age-related vision problems, including cataracts and macular degeneration. But how can we employ fennel in our daily lives? Well, there are plenty of delicious possibilities. Fresh fennel lends a crisp, delightful edge to salads. It can also be made into a soothing, delightful tea. Fennel is a versatile herb that both tastes good and looks good, whether sliced, chopped, or steeped. So, let's start putting fennel into our teas and meals and see how our vision evolves. Herb number 7, amla. Let's move on to our 7th and last herb, amla, often known as Indian gooseberry. In Ayurvedic medicine, amla is highly recognized for its multiple health benefits, earning it a distinct place in the practice. Amla's high vitamin C content makes it glow brightly in our eyes. This powerful antioxidant improves overall eye health and protects the eyes from oxidative stress. Consuming amla on a regular basis can help prevent age-related vision problems and keep our eyes looking young and vibrant. However, how can you incorporate this superfruit into your everyday routine? Don't worry, there are plenty of simple ways to enjoy amla. Fresh amla berries can be eaten as a snack, juiced, or powdered and mixed into your favorite recipes. When you incorporate amla in your diet, you not only nourish your body, but also protect your eyes. Let us take a moment to examine our information as we near the end of our investigation into herbs for eye health. We looked at 7 remarkable herbs, each with its own set of eye benefits: amla, fennel, bilberry, ginkgo biloba, eyebright, saffron, and turmeric. These herbs have shown promise in improving our visual clarity and overall eye health, from reducing eye strain to preventing age-related vision loss. However, bear in mind that, while adding these herbs to your diet or supplement regimen may be beneficial, you should always consult with a healthcare physician before making any significant changes. You must take great care and caution with your eye health since it is really important. Thus, I advise you to prioritize your vision and take aggressive actions to keep it. Remember to share this video with friends and family so they can benefit from these natural therapies as well. Join us on our journey to happier, healthier eyes.